Close your eyes. You're on the white sandy beach. The ocean is whispering in your ear, and in your hand, a drink so good it's been the official taste of summer for over half a century. Hey everyone, it's R-Jay Rockwell and welcome to the Rockwell Bar. Today we're making the legendary Piña Colada, a cocktail that is as iconic as the beach vacation you're now dreaming of. Fun fact, the Piña Colada was born in Puerto Rico in the 1950s. Depending on who you ask, it was either invented by a bartender named Ramon Monchito Marrero or a rival hotel bar trying to steal his thunder. Either way, it became so loved that in 1978 Puerto Rico made it their official national drink. Now that's what I call a VIP status, and here's what you need for this tropical masterpiece. White rum, pineapple juice, coconut cream, and believe me, I had to squeeze quite some nuts to get this much cream. And next to that, we also need some heavy cream. And of course, some crushed ice. To start, pour 2 ounces of white rum into the blender. This is the tropical base of the drink. And next, 1 ounce of coconut cream. This is for adding that rich and sweet island flavor. And for smoothness, 1 ounce of heavy cream. And yes, heavy cream, because this drink didn't come here to count calories. And then 6 ounces of pineapple juice, bringing brightness and fruity sweetness. In this case, it's 1.5 ounce per jigger, so I need 4 of those. That's number 3, so 4.5 ounces. And 6. Finally, a scoop of crushed ice is added to chill everything down and create that frozen texture. Or maybe 2 scoops. Now put that lid on and blend it until everything is smooth. And remember, under no circumstances, never ever And honestly, it took a whole team 3 days to clean it up, so you definitely don't want to do that. Now pour this silky golden magic into a chilled glass. And garnish it with a pineapple and a cherry, because if we're going tropical, we're going all in. So yeah, tropical all the way, and of course the straw is the VIP guest. That's the Piña Colada Rockwell style. Creamy, sweet and dangerously drinkable. Don't forget to follow, drink responsibly and rock well. Cheers! Ooh. Hey, it's R-Jay Rockwell. A cocktail that is iconic. A cocktail that is a... Okay, fun fact. Fun fact. Creamy, sweet, and dangerously drinkable. And
Puerto Rico.